E for eMoneyWizard.com and MarketWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose if you're playing this game. All right, we talked about, and this is kind of a wrap up for the morning, we talked about the idea that the boys are probably going to test support first. My thought was that the low was already in and that we would hold. And if we broke the 74, that would be the third time through trade. And then we'd be looking to get to the 78, 78 and a half. Obviously the half gap first, 76 and a half. Then I said the 83s, I wanted to see close the gap and knock out and stops. And then on a squeeze, anything above the 83 target, 83 and a half, that the next potential target would be to try to come up into the 87 and a half, 88 area, which was the scene of the crime from yesterday. We could go any high right now, including the 92s, but I'm not thinking that aggressively. I am thinking that should be happy that we knocked out stops and got a few points above that. If you've already had a great day, you don't need to do anything. Should relax and count your pennies and then look for a trade a little bit later today, maybe during lunch or perhaps in the afternoon. Never count the boys out. I said I thought that this would hold. I've gone over the reasons why. Just a quick reminder for traders. This 5-minute chart, I said we can go under it a little bit, but usually if it's too far stretched from that blue line, then we're going to run up here and do the retest. Scene of the crime is obviously something we talked about today that could get retested. That's 88.75. So I would think that long side, anybody that's approaching that 87 and a half to 88, got to move your stops up. And we know that this has been a straight up program trade. So round numbers, 87 and a half. Anybody gets there, I say take it and run. You do what you want. 87 and a half was our T1 for today. We're hitting that target right here. And I think it's been a good morning and you should take profits, but I'm conservative. You want to press it, that's up to you. Well, my target at 87 and a half, aggressive target, meaning above that 83, has been hit. And I love this chart. This chart was a beauty. Support held, rocked right through, and into the next box. And this is the third time through trade, which is a very powerful trade that we teach in our system. Double top, and then I said early this morning, I said maybe we'll get that as a third time through trade later. So realistically, what we've done is taken that range from yesterday afternoon, and we're just range trading it. Found the lows, don't know until hindsight, but we had a guess that was in. And then as such, once that's in, if we're range type trading, we can go any place in that range. And this was our target based on yesterday's high and this overnight low. So anybody that's looking to short, you're using 88 to 92, this zone just above us as your resistance zone for small pullback. Not looking for a killer trade. The day's range is now from low to high, meaning pullbacks will probably get bought. And that chart is over here. And you can see how that breakout has become basically the middle of the range. So that's a symmetry idea right now. Hope that helps you put things into perspective. And this is our predictive chart. Held support, came back through, third time through, came up, took out that 83. And now back here at 87 zone. So step by step, that's the box. We've got to look at 78 as a big idea because that's the flipper right there. So that's our current box right now that we're trying to fight. And this is going to be a profit-taking swing, and the most important support in this range is probably going to be these lows back here where the shorts got trapped, 75s. Lock your profits, relax, enjoy. Predictive chart, one of the best we've got. We got a bunch of them, but I like that chart. Demon has been reset at 85. I'm sorry, 84. 63.75 still intact. 74, obviously the middle zone. 2-way day, I said. And that we certainly have. Anybody that wants to short, you should have profits from either shorting earlier or from the long side trade that you're willing to risk. If not, don't do anything. Just enjoy the day. Don't have to be in the market all day long.